Hello, in this tutorial I want to show you how you can take screenshot and record screen in your Samsung Galaxy A series. In front of me I have A13, but it also works on any other, like for example A23, A53 or A73. So the first option, we will take screenshot by using the physical buttons. So on the most smartphones you can find volume up, down and the power buttons, right? And to take screenshot you have to tap on the power key and the volume down at the same time. Take a look. Volume down and power key. As you can see, our screen blinks and we get this bottom bar. It means the screenshot was taken. So one more time. Power key and the volume down button. The screenshot was taken. So right now we can find all of the screenshots in your gallery. So we have to open the gallery, go for albums, and you will find screenshots folder. When you enter, you can find all of the screenshots that you take. You can edit them by tapping right here. So as you can see, you can rotate. You can also change color and the temperature. You can change brightness. Yeah, you can change exposure. That's a lot of things. You can also add here any stickers. You can draw something, whatever you have. If you make any change, for example, we can add here like this sticker, and you want to confirm, just click on the right upper corner to save, confirm, and after a few seconds, as you can see, we successfully edit our screenshot. Okay, and that was the way how we can take screenshot. And I'm gonna show you how we can record screen. So in the most smartphones you are able to find the screen recorder icon right here. But in this phone there's not such a feature. So we have to go for the Play Store and we can get external application. So we have to get, for example, this one, the screen recorder Vidma recorder. Let's install this application. Of course you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi network or mobile data. Now be patient and wait until the download will be finished. Okay, and now we can go forward and open this application, click continue. When we have any notifications to accept, just click allow. Up here on the top, we have to grant permission. So right now we have to find our application, that's the Vidma recorder, grant permission, then just go back. Click allow another time, grant other permission, and that's the quick description of this feature. Okay, right now we are in the application, so to start recording we have to tap right here, click here, tap to start now, and as you can see, after a few seconds we can close this application, and right now our screen is recording. So when you tap right here on this little orange icon, you can pause, you can continue, you can also take screenshot by recording, and also we can finish by tapping right here. Right now it's creating the video, so we have to wait. Of course there's the ads, so we have to close it. And there it is, we have to click done to finish. Next, we can take a look where we can find this recorder, I mean this screen recorder option, and it will appear right here. As you can see, we successfully record screen and take screenshot on our Samsung Galaxy A series. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.